Finally, we have found a fantastic tool that converts our normal text to 3D models. These are the 3D models that got generated by just plain text in seconds. So the tool that we are going to use is Meshy 3D AI generator. So first thing, just Google it. Obviously you'll be getting the first link, and you can sign in with your Gmail or Google account, so that's up to you. And you'll be getting an interface like this, and here they have quite a few options such as text to 3D model, and in case if you're having an existing 3D model, it gives texturing. And final thing is image to 3D, so it gives an image and it converts to a 3D model. And these are the previews that other users generated, the 3D models, so many of them. This looks absolutely fantastic. So let's see now how we can do this. Just click on this text to 3D over here, and here we have a space to give our prompt and negative prompt. So I have just added my prompt, and if you want to get negative prompts, you can just click on this guidelines, which acts as a documentation for using this whole website. Just click here and we'll be getting the negative prompts. So you can just basically copy this thing. So just copy this and you can just put it over here, and this is like the entire documentation, the entire features that this Meshy AI gives you. So you can just read through it in case if you have any more doubts. You can just go through this. And apart from this, you can also add more things over here like hyper realistic and 4K, like that, high quality, something like that. Just a normal prompts that we use for our text to image generation things. Okay, and here we are having an art style which is auto, cartoonish, realistic and low poly. So I will just give it as realistic, and this is going to be the seed number, and this is just to add some randomness, because if you use the same prompt and same seed, you will be getting the same output. So this is optional. In case if you want, you can just have it. I'll just enable this and I'll just enter some random number. That's it. And the estimated time for creation is 1 minute, and the credits is 5 credits. So by default we will be getting 200 credits. So I'll just click on generate. So it will take some time, so just be patient. These are the 3D models that got generated. If I click on preview, we will be getting a low quality preview of them. So like this, if I click this, I'll be getting a low quality version of them. And in case if I like the pose and the model and the color of this low quality preview, what you can do is you can just click on this refine option. So if you just click on this refine thing, which costs us another 20 credits, if I click on refine, so that will basically refine and add more details to this model that we have selected. Once the model refining is done, you'll be getting a preview over here. You can just click this. This is the model I get. So this looks super cool, even though like the face has gone off a bit. The details, the pant, the sword, everything looks so amazing. Like this took literally 2 minutes. Just imagine a person doing this. It will take hours to do this. And apart from this, we are having the texture settings. You can just play around with this. Next one is going to be the environment, the background, everything. We can just change this, all up to you. And final thing is downloading it. If you want to download it, you can just click this download option, and it has FBX, OBJ. I think these are the commonly used, or we are having the blend also. So if I select something and click on download, that will cost around 20 credits. Okay, so if you just click it, it will get downloaded. So coming to the pricing, if I just click on this credits, here you can see 120 monthly credits, resets in 20 days, which means that every month we will be getting 200 credits for us to use for free. And if I scroll down, this is the pricing for yearly. So for free, it's basically 200 credits, which gets recycled. So by 200 credits, I think we can create I think like 2 to 3 models so perfectly with the refining and downloading. And if you want a paid one for monthly trial, it's $20. For yearly, it starts from 16. So I think if you are like a 3D model or a game developer, this tool is must to have. It will surely save you a lot of time, because the quality is kind of so good. You can use them as props or even as your main player. Final thing is you can even reuse other people's model. Okay, so in case in the home screen, you can just click on their model and you can have a preview of the model like this. And if you like this, you can just click on remix. That will give you all the settings that they used, even the seed, the negative prompt. And if you just click on generate, you will be getting their model generated for you, but it will cost you some credits for that. So that's the video, guys. I hope you would have found this useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in AI as well as programming. Check them out, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.